Where's gonna? Itu gormi zata sosongku zaina.
Hi auntie, how are you doing? I couldn't make sweets this time, so I brought you this gift.
New generation. Thank you, Baba. Your husband is in UK, no? He's come down to Goa?
No auntie, he'll be coming down next week. For now we are sorting out his luggage because he has to pay £200 for his extra bag.
What?
मैडम आपका आरवल से पार्सल आया।
Thank you, beta.
Auntie, what have you ordered?
Arey, nothing, man. My son sent me a parcel from UK. I could not carry so much of luggage, so he sent by courier.
Auntie, please tell me how your son sent this parcel and how much did it cost and what can you send?
Baba, I'll tell you everything. Don't take tension. We sent it via our World Courier service.
Our World Express is the most convenient and cost-effective courier service choice for you. Our World Express provides world-class services with cheapest airfares, fastest delivery, online tracking and ensuring door-to-door delivery within 7 days. Call us now on or visit www.ourworldexpress.com.
Thank you so much auntie for telling me this. I'll call him up right now and tell him about this. Hello? Yeah, listen. I've just got to know about this Our World Courier service. So I'm sending you a list and you have to bring all those things now. I don't want any excuses.
Arey Baba, you will have place for my courier also?
Okay auntie, bye.
Arey, listen re.